Hi, today I will show you the appropriate way of using the rubber dam. At the end of this video, you will be able to isolate a single tooth or multiple teeth using different techniques. By using the rubber dam, you will have a clean, dry operative procedure, which will improve the visibility of the operative field. You will have a better moisture control. You will prevent pulpal contamination from the oral fluids and saliva. More important, you will prevent any unwanted events, for example, preventing the patient from swallowing or aspirating foreign objects. You will also protect the soft tissue, such as the tongue and buccal mucosa, from injury. Now I will show you what instruments and tools you will need for the rubber dam placement, and I will explain to you how to use each one of them. Here we have the rubber dam sheet. It comes in different sizes, different colors, different thicknesses, latex, latex-free, and it has two sides, a dull side and a shining side. Shining side is supposed to be facing the oral mucosa. The dull side, which is a less light reflective side, is supposed to be facing the occlusal surface and the operator. This is the rubber dam frame, holder. It helps to stabilize the rubber dam sheet on the patient mouth. This is the rubber dam punch, creates holes on the rubber dam sheet. This is the clamp faucet. Clamps, flat instrument, dental floss. Finally, we have the resin barrier. In this video, we're only going to show you how to use these four types of clamps. Clamp 12 and 13A are used for the molar teeth. Clamp 2A is used for the premolar teeth. And clamp number 9, or the butterfly clamp, is used for the anterior teeth. It's very important that you ensure your patient's safety while placing the rubber dam inside his mouth. This is why you need to secure your clamp with the dental floss before placing it inside his mouth. This will allow you to easily retrieve the clamp from the patient's mouth and prevent any accidents from happening. Now, in order to perforate your rubber dam sheet, you will need a rubber dam punch. This is a classic Ainsworth rubber dam punch, the one I'm holding in my hand. As you can see here, we have 5 different hole sizes. We're only gonna need these 3 holes in order to create the punch for the rubber dam for the different teeth that we have in the mouth. The second one to the largest hole is used for the molar teeth, where this is used for the premolar, and that one is used for the anterior teeth. This is the clamp forceps, and it's basically used for the placement and removal of the clamp retainer from inside and outside the patient mouth. At this part of the video, I will show you how to isolate posterior teeth using different techniques. Now we will isolate the lower right 6 using the clamp first technique. So what we're going to do is we're going to place the clamp first, and then we're going to place the rubber sheet. Now I will isolate the lower right 5 using the dam first technique. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place the dam first, and then I'm going to install the clamp. Now I will show you the dam clamp together technique. What we're going to do is we're going to place the rubber dam sheet over the clamp outside the patient mouth first, and then after that we're going to place it inside the patient mouth. So this is how we do it. This is the clamp. It's going to isolate the lower right premolar. So this is the clamp, size 2A. Going to place the rubber dam sheet over the wings. These are the wings. Gonna place it all over the wings like this. All over the wings. The holes are visible and it's not completely isolated. With the flat instrument, I'm gonna flick the dam under the wings. This time, now you have complete isolation. Now I'm going to show you how to do the split dam technique. It's a technique you use to expose a larger operative field. For example, you need to do a class 2 cavity on the upper right 5, and you need to expose both the upper right 6, 5, and 4. So basically what you're going to do here, you're going to perforate the rubber dam using the punch with 2 holes, and then you can connect those 2 holes using the scissors. So that's the first hole here. That's the second hole. It's gonna be next to it. Now I'm gonna connect those 2 holes using a scissor. I'm gonna pull the dam between the contact area between the upper right 4 and the K9. You can also use rubber widgets. Leave them in place here. As you can see here, we have exposed the upper right 5 for a larger operative field. And then what you can do here, you can use the resin barrier. In this case, I'm using the liquid dam, and secure all the gaps. Now I will show you how to isolate anterior teeth using different techniques. Now, it's better that you do the anterior teeth isolation using the clamp and rubber dam together isolation technique. I'm going to isolate the upper right central. So now I'm going to show you how to isolate multiple anterior teeth without using a clamp. Right, so that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to isolate from the lower right lateral to the lower left lateral. We have reached the end of this video. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you all for watching.